Julian, good to see you again. This machine looks as smartly dressed as you do today, so congratulations on that. This is the L400 LMC from Hyundai Wia. It's in stock, isn't it? Tell us about the machine.
Yep, it's the largest of the L400 series of machines from Hyundai Wia. This is a long bed, 2.1 metre between centres, driven tool version, and with a big spindle bore as well, 130mm spindle bore. It's got an 18-inch chuck now on this machine, which is the upgrade from the 15. 21 would be available as well, and it comes with a host of standard features which our customers seem to welcome, and as I said, it is the largest variant of the L400 series.
Is the availability a big thing for you here? Because there are a lot of machines of this size and this nature, but having one here in stock, does that help you get the order?
Absolutely massive. It's in my time, I've been with TW Ward now for over 5 years. And it's always been my experience that the fact that we have stock, and it's stock that, I don't know if it's by luck or good judgment, that we have that what people want, and we do seem to do very well on that basis.
The word stock, it obviously means it's here and it's available, but how quickly does that mean if I gave you an order today, and I'm not going to, but if I did, well, could it hit the deck in my factory?
It could. Really, it's really down to two factors, not so much this actual availability of the machine anymore now. It's down to how quick we can get the haulage contractor and how quick you can accept it. There are certain circumstances where we have stock machines, and not just the Hyundai Wia machines, but other stock machines where we're actually waiting for foundations. It's really down to the person buying the machine. So we can get you a machine within, I think we've turned a machine around in 7 days before now.
Okay, I read in the brochure here, sturdiness secured through the adoption of an all-axis box guideway. Is that important?
Very, very important. The whole philosophy, the whole ethos of everything that we've tried to do at TW Ward over the years is serve particular industries. Now, that service to that particular, say, machining of high integrity materials has always demanded a lot of strength, a lot of power, a lot of torque on the spindle, and immense rigidity on the actual box guideways themselves. And that's why we go for this type of machine. But of course, if you can machine super duplex, you can machine the Inconels, of course, other materials become very, very standard. So, you know, it is a machine for everyone, but it has got a lot of capability. As I said earlier, 37 kilowatts through a gearbox on the actual spindle. Absolutely amazing.
So it's a gearbox, it's a two-speed?
Two-speed gearbox, yes.
And the turning length as well, you said on this, you might have said a bit, repeat that?
It was 2.1 metres.
And a lot of machines, when I look at them of this size, tend to have only 10 stations on the turret, but I note here you've got 12, that's different.
Yes, well, because it's a driven tool turret in this occasion, it's got BMT 75P tooling on this particular turret. Yeah, and this is a 12-station turret. And of course, as I said, it has got driven tools. Every station is driven, so it's got a lot of capability.
You've pushed quite well, I have to say, that the virtues of the stability and the performance and maybe the precision of this machine. Does that mean that it's out of reach for, say, general subcontractors?
I don't think so. I think, to be fair, these machines do generally sell very well within the subcontract market, and it's very gratifying to note that if a customer buys one machine, he'll keep on buying Hyundai Wia because he likes the quality. He likes the fact that it does what he wants it to do and it's supposed to do. And more important than that even, he likes the fact that we're there to support him. A lot of people say, what are the differentiators between what you've got and what everybody else has got? And I think support is very, very important. And TW Ward have always been very, very strong on that support.
What about the warranty on this machine then with that support?
Yeah, you'll get a standard on these machines, you'll get 24 months warranty. And actually included within the overall cost of the package of machine that you buy will be your first service, because it's very important to have that service after 12 months.
So you get a service at the end of the year as well. I just want to as well talk about the models here. L400 LMC. So you say they can come as just the L or the LM or the LMC, or is there an A?
There is a full range of these machines, absolutely right. From the L400A with 1.6 metres turning length to 400C, same turning length but a bigger spindle bore, up to 130mm spindle bore. And then you've got the L long version, driven tools and the bigger spindle bore. And there's, as I said, there are other features on there as well, which, dependent on the size of the machine, become more important to the end user.
It's fair to say that there's a model for pretty much everything here. You talk about power. It's great having power on the main spindle, but if you can't cope with power on the driven tools, for example, that there's a potential compromise there. How does this fare in that area?
Very well, actually. I mean, this has got 7.5 kilowatts on the driven tools, and that's on a standard 1-to-1 ratio driven tool. Of course, you go to the speed ups or the geared down versions, and you got some more available to you. But yeah, 7.5 kilowatt is very fair for this size of machine.
And with the box guideway and the stiff construction here, it's quite a heavy machine, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It's well, there is, as you say, there's a lot of cast iron in there, and
that helps with the dampening and vibration.
Well, yeah, as I said, these have been designed using finite element analysis. They are extremely well put together. I think the finish on these is very, very good. It's a lot better than a lot of people would ever expect.
And when you buy one of these, what do they come with, Julian, here? I know you can add things to them, but as standard, let's say this stock machine, what's it going to come with?
Well, with this particular model, the LMC will come as standard with the 15-inch chuck rather than the 18, although that is a straightforward option at the time of actually specifying it. 2.1 metres between centres or turning length, a tailstock, drag and drop tailstock, coolant through the turret, driven tools on this machine because it's the M variant, a selection of static and driven tool holders, and of course a chip conveyor and a quick tool setter.
So, and I hear it's pretty competitively priced as well.
It is very competitively priced. I'm not going to give the price away right now, but it is very competitive in the market. And of course, the availability is very, very important. So we're not going to say we're going to hold anybody over a barrel, but the thing is we've got these machines, we've got them in stock, we've got the support, we've got the warranty. It's all part of a massive package, and it's very competitive indeed.
Okay, so can't say we didn't try. If you want to know the price, you need to contact TW Ward. Thank you, Julian.
Absolutely. No problem at all. Thank you.